Hello everyone, my name is Marcos. I'm with DOG Insurance Agency, and today I would like to tell you a little bit about life insurance. Life insurance is not what a lot of people think it is, and in this case I would like to break it down a little bit better for most people to understand. So to start with, we have something called an ART. That is called an annual renewable term. An annual renewable term is exactly what that is. Every year you have a life insurance contract that renews. Typically, the people who use this type of contract is employers or companies for employees. The second type of insurance that is along the same lines is called a term insurance, and typically terms will be anywhere from 10 to 30 years. We'll have contracts starting at 10, 15, 20, and 30-year contracts. Term insurance is very simple to work with. It allows you to get the most insurance possible at the least cost. Term insurance, as it is a term insurance. What does that mean? That means that if you pass away during the length of the term, your beneficiaries are guaranteed a set amount of money as a death benefit. That is what a term insurance is. A term insurance has to be renewed upon the ending of the term. Term insurance is going to be cheaper when you are younger. The older you are, the more expensive it is. So term insurance is going to have to be renewed. If you outlive that contract and you have to renew, there are no guarantees that you are going to be eligible for the renewal. Say you get diagnosed with a terminal illness upon the ending of your term and you outlive the term that you already currently have. Well, when you go to renew, you may not be insurable. This is one of the reasons why we have other products such as permanent universal life insurance policies and something also called permanent products or whole life policies. In my preference, I like indexed universal life insurance contracts, and I'm going to tell you why. But before we get into that, I want to tell you what are some of the other options under term. So we went over ART, a 10, 15, 20, and a 30-year term. The next one up in the list is going to be an ROP. An ROP stands for a return of premium. So it is very similar like a term. You have a length of time that you're going to have an insurance policy for with a certain death benefit. The difference with this type of a policy is that ROP, if you outlive that policy right around year 25 for a 30-year term, you are eligible to get all of your money back and cancel the contract. So in this case, you would have been insured for 25 years, making your monthly contributions. If you would have passed during this time, there's a death benefit that's guaranteed to your family. If you outlive that pace, you can cancel and get all of your money back, so you didn't lose anything. This is a great option for many people. Find out if you're one of those that this would be one of those types of policies. Coming up next, we're going to have something called an indexed universal life insurance policy. An indexed universal life insurance policy has three major benefits. Number one, it does not expire. Unlike a term, an IUL or indexed universal life insurance contract is for life. That means that you lock in today's rate, and that is what you'll pay from here until you die. As I've stated before, the older you are, the more expensive life insurance will get. So why not lock in your rates right now? The second benefit is that if you get diagnosed with a terminal, chronic, or critical injury, you have access to that life insurance policy while you're still alive. One of the biggest benefits, and many people do not know about, is how you can access this money while you're still alive, tax-free and penalty-free, unlike your traditional 401ks, 403bs, or 457s. In the event that there's a life event that happens in your life and you need that money, you simply can go to your life insurance company and borrow a certain amount of money where you don't have to pay the penalties, unlike one of those traditional 401ks. The third benefit to this type of a contract means that a portion of the payment that you were contributing for your payment is going to be added towards a savings account. That savings account, money is put into the market where you participate in the gains and you are subject to the gains, but you have a zero floor where you participate only in the gains and not in the losses. The market will go up and down, up and down. So if you want to have a safe vehicle for your investments or for your money, life insurance is the best way to go. You participate in the gains and you suffer no losses. One of the best ways to start putting your money towards your retirement is going to be one of these type of contracts. For more information and seeing how this can be beneficial to you, contact DOG Insurance Agency so that we can discuss what are the options best for you. In order to qualify for some of these policies, there are going to be some contingencies and some factors that are going to take into consideration. Several of these factors are going to be your age. A second factor will be your health. Are you healthy enough to get an insurance policy? Do you have any medical conditions is going to be a third, factor. Do you take any prescribed medication? And if so, what type of medication do you take? Have you suffered a major case of diabetes, a leg amputation, loss of vision? These are going to be some of the things that are going to take into consideration whether you will be eligible for that life insurance contract or not. Another factor will be if you have an existing life insurance. If you do, depending on how much insurance you presently have, we want to make sure that we can cover you for what's called a human life value life insurance policy. At DOG Insurance Agency, we understand the importance of family, and we want to make sure that you are protected the right way the first time, all the way around. We insure our clients for human life value, which is the maximum insurance that the state of Texas will allow us to insure our clients for. And well, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude my presentation for life insurance. My name is Marcos, and I am with DOG Insurance Agency, as I've stated. Feel free to contact me for any questions, for your free quote. Don't forget, we also do home, auto, life, flood, personal, and commercial insurance. We do business planning in our portfolio. So if you have any questions regarding that, feel free to give us a call at the number that you see on your screen. And again, thank you for choosing DOG Insurance. Have a great day. Stay blessed.